So every single time you cook, you've got this one tiny choice to make. Should the shiny side of the aluminum foil face out or the dull side? I know, it sounds like nothing, right? But people have argued about this for years. I mean, millions of people online, all totally convinced they know the real answer. Well, today I'm going to show you why almost every one of them is wrong, and why the real answer is hidden in something kind of wild, the way this stuff is actually made. Okay, so here's what most people believe. The shiny side reflects heat, the dull side absorbs it. So they'll tell you, you want that baked potato to cook faster? Shiny side in. You don't want your food to burn? Shiny side out. And look, it sounds like simple science, but it's just not true. And to see why, we've got to look at how aluminum foil is actually made. Trust me, this part's kind of amazing. So, aluminum foil doesn't start out thin, not even close. It starts as this giant block of solid metal, one that can weigh more than 10,000 pounds. That block gets heated up, then squeezed between these huge, shiny steel rollers, again and again and again. And every single pass, it gets a little bit thinner, until, in the end, it's thinner than a human hair. But now there's a problem. The foil gets so thin that if the factory rolls one single sheet just one more time, it tears itself apart. So they do something kind of genius. On that very last roll, they stack two sheets together and run them through at the exact same time. And here's the magic. The two outer surfaces, they kiss those shiny steel rollers, so they come out shiny. But the two inner surfaces, they only ever touch each other, so they come out dull. And that right there is the whole secret. The shiny side, the dull side, they were never made for cooking. They're just a leftover fingerprint, a little accident from a factory. But wait, don't go anywhere yet, because shiny surfaces really do reflect heat better than dull ones. That part's actually true. It's why emergency blankets are shiny. It's why we wrap spacecraft in the stuff. So, does that mean the internet was right all along? We decided to find out. We grabbed two potatoes, same weight, same oven, same temperature. One, shiny side facing out. The other, shiny side facing in. 1 hour later, we pull them out, and we point a thermal camera at both of them. The difference? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Both potatoes the exact same temperature. So why? Why doesn't it matter even a little? Because, okay, your oven doesn't really cook with reflected heat. It cooks with hot air. That hot air slams into the foil, heats it right up, and that's a thing called convection. And here's the key. Aluminum is an incredible conductor of heat. So both sides, they move that heat almost exactly the same way. That tiny little difference in reflection in a normal oven, it's so small, it means basically nothing. So here's the truth. Plain, simple. The shiny side, the dull side, they're just a result of how the foil gets made. Both sides reflect heat almost the same. Both sides conduct heat almost the same. It does not matter which side faces in or out. The famous aluminum foil debate? Yeah, it's over. And honestly, that's the funny part. Millions of people believed a rule that was never even real. All of it, from one tiny accident in a factory. But, okay, there is one exception, one that actually matters. Some foil is non-stick foil, and only one side has this special food-safe coating on it. Use the wrong side, and yeah, your food sticks right to it. And I think that's exactly where this whole myth was born. A real rule for one special kind of foil, slowly twisted into a rule people thought worked for every roll of foil on the planet. That's not science, it's just a story, passed from one person to the next, until everybody just believed it. So next time someone swears the shiny side has to face a certain way, you can just smile, because now you know the real story. If you enjoyed this video and want to watch more fascinating stories like it, you're in the right place. Go ahead and check out the channel, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I upload a brand new video every single day. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.